Wise Recipient Name Mismatch. Fix. Seeing a recipient name mismatch on Wise? Do not worry. Here's how to fix it quickly and safely. Step 1. Stay calm. First, do not panic. A name mismatch usually means the recipient name you entered doesn't exactly match the bank account holder's name. Double check the spelling, order, and any middle names. Step 2. Stop the transfer. If the transfer hasn't been completed yet, cancel or pause it immediately. This prevents the money from being sent to the wrong or rejected account. Step 3. Update the recipient details. Edit the recipient information and enter the correct full name as shown on their bank account. Save the changes, then resend the transfer once everything matches. Step 4. Contact Wise Support. If you can cancel the transfer or the error keeps appearing, contact Wise Support through the app or website. They can check the transfer and guide you on the next steps. Important reminder: name mismatches can cause delays or fees. Always confirm recipient details before sending money to avoid problems. Once the recipient name matches the bank account, your Wise transfer should go through smoothly.